Hello video passionates, welcome back to my channel. If you're my long-time viewers, it's so great to have you back here with me. And to all my new viewers, a big and warm welcome to our growing community. My name is Janet and I'm truly excited to have each and every one of you here. The goal of today's video is to unleash the updated and exciting new features that CapCut has to offer us, the users. If you are new here and you love what I do, please support my channel by subscribing, hit on the notification bell, like and share. If you have any question regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my channel, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. And if you have a request for anything at all you want me to do, kindly drop it in the comment section and I will definitely attend to you as soon as possible. So let's begin. We are moving on to number 2, which is text to image. This feature for me, I think, is going to favor business owner the most because this AI will help you generate pictures and even modules for your products. All you need to do is to type in detail what you want the AI to generate, and the AI will do the work of generating it, generating the product, generating AI module for you. Then you download the video or the picture and post. How do I mean? Tap on this text to image. Then I'm just going to clean this text. I already have something I type already. I say 50-year-old woman. 50-year-old woman wearing a black and red jacket, carrying a blue bag, standing outside the house with a car key. So after typing what you want, just tap on generate and wait for it to load. And here you have it, a 50-year-old woman standing in front of a car, in front of a house with a blue bag, a blue dress, and you have it. All you need to do is just tap on any one of them. Tap on this HD upscale. Tap on it to see the full picture of this woman. And here you have it. Then you can save it. See save under here. Tap it and you save. And there you go. So you type any picture of your product, AI will generate it for you and you save it and post. Life made easy. We have photo editor. Well, the word is self-explanatory, but if you don't know it, it is used to edit photos like a pro, which you are, which I am. So what we are going to do is tap on it, photo editor. We are going to select any picture. Let's use this beautiful picture here. Now, this is our beautiful picture. First, what do we want to do with it? I would like to change the background of this video, probably touch it a little bit, add a little bit of filter. That is what I have in my head. So before you pick a picture to edit, first imagine how you want the picture to look like. Then that imagination, bring it to reality. That is what editing means. So now, first thing I want to do is to change the background of this image. When you tap on it, you can see here cutout. Remember we did auto cutout. Here we have cutout. Tap on it. This cutout is going to remove the background. You can do it manually. See manual select by selecting it manually yourself. But who wants to do a lot of work when AI can help you to do everything? So just tap on the cutout, auto select. AI will select your image nicely for you. Then you check. Once you check, click on this arrow to go back. Scroll to your right, tap on background, then change it to any background that you want. You can change it to red, but make sure you choose a background that goes with what your image is saying. For this background, if I use this purple background, it's very nice, but look at the side, it's showing. Another way I can do that is for you to now zoom in the image. You now have to cut some parts away from the image and leave it like this. Now, the next thing I think you can do is to adjust. If you want to adjust the brightness, let's assume the brightness is not enough. Just adjust it. This is way too much. This is good. The brightness, that is too much. So once you are done, I think I want to reduce the noise, or probably reduce the shadow just tiny bit. It's okay. That's too much. Okay. So once you are done, just tap on filter. Let's add filter if you want. No, I don't like this one. Okay, just add any filter you want. And once you are done, what else can we do? Okay, you can add sticker. You can decide to add sticker if you want. Then once you add your sticker, see what we can do with this sticker. Tap on opacity and reduce the opacity of the sticker. Then adjust it and reduce the size. See, we just added the design to this fine outfit. And there you go. What you can do again is to add shapes. If you want to add shapes instead of stickers, just come to shapes. You can add this star to cover up here. Let's assume this is the one you want to use. Once you add it, you can even add text on top of that shape. Hello. Once you type, you reduce the size a little bit and put it here. Adjust. Now you can choose font. We have tons of fonts here. Choose the font you want and choose the color you want. Anything you want to do, just go ahead and do your magic. And once you are done, you can decide to reduce the brightness of the opacity of your text, reduce it or increase it. Play around with it. Wakanda for life. Another thing you can do is to, if you want to change the size of this image, you can tap here to change it. I think this is for YouTube. Let's assume I want to use this image as my thumbnail. All I need to do is tap on the image, move it to the side. We are editing. We want to be real. Move it to the side. Now bring my text and all my objects. Bring them here. Uh-oh. Just drag them nicely. Okay, let's assume I've dragged them nicely, not to waste our time. So now I want to add text to this as my thumbnail. What can we say? How to, okay, new CapCut features. So once you are done like that, so what you can do is change your font first thing to a very nice font. It's looking like it. Let's go. No, I don't want template. Look, I think the white is okay. This is a nice thumbnail. Very nice thumbnail. Simple and nice thumbnail. And then what you can do is just download it and you are good to go. You don't have to go and buy or go online to go and look for thumbnail or something. So once you are done, just export it and you have a beautiful thumbnail here to use.